Good morning students. We are feeling immense pleasure to inform you that our school have developed our own web portal named sanjaviersmuzaffarpur.com and Android applications also for providing you the facility for attending the live classes, attending the online quizzes and many more facilities are there. To avail that facilities, you can log in on the portal with the ID and password that would be sent to your email ID that you have provided earlier to the school. And how you will get those facilities on the portal, now I am going to explain you that. Type on address bar sanjaviersmuzaffarpur.com, click on enter. The web portal will open. Now click here on login page. The dashboard will open. Here you will type the user ID and password which will be shared through your email ID. After login, the class and the section you have been allotted for conducting the online classes, it will be shown here. You have to select it and click on select and proceed. The dashboard will open. Here all the information will be shown, like admission date, date of birth, category. You will update it as per your choice. Now fee section. In this section you can see your fee detail. In the examination section, when the MCQ examination will be scheduled by your teacher, the list of the MCQ will be shown here. In the document section, when you have to upload any assignment or any homework which will be given by the teacher to you, you can upload it from here. Put the title of that particular assignment, like if you are uploading maths assignment, for example, you will type maths assignment, your date मान लीजिए, and select the location of your file. For example, I have selected this. Open, save. Here we get the message record saved successfully, means the file you have uploaded on the server, it will be uploaded. Then click on back button. Again go to the document section. Here you can see the document you have uploaded is listed here, maths assignment. Okay, now we will go to the live classes session. Before starting the live classes, you have to ensure that a Zoom application must be installed in your laptop, tablet or mobile. Wherever you are using this portal, you have to ensure before conducting or attending the live classes, you have to install Zoom first, because our portal has been integrated with Zoom, so it will work with that application only. So now when I go to the live classes, here the list of classes has been scheduled, like you have to attend these classes, so go and click on the join. When you click on the live classes button, you will see the list of the classes scheduled. Now whatever the class is, see the timing here, the timing of the routine, the timing of the class you have allotted in the routine. Now click on join. Here the name of the teacher will be shown, your section will be shown, the date and time will be shown. Now whatever the class you want to join, you just click on that join button. Here if the time is scheduled, if the class is started, so you will see the status is started, means the class is already going on. You can join it by clicking here. This message will be shown. Now the Zoom interface will open. Here you can click. If you want to test that your audio is working or not, you can check it by there. If you want to join with the audio, you can click here. Now the class is working. This is the audio of, this is Aman Kumar, means it's the area where the teacher is presenting their screen and the student will be shown in this area. Okay, if you want to record this video, whatever the session is going and whatever the teacher is teaching you, you can record it from here. Okay, when you click here, so your host, if your teacher will permit you to do the recording, then only you can do it. If you cannot, if you are not allowed to do so, then you will not be able to do that. So you just click on that. You will you can start your video from here. You can switch off it. When you come on this Zoom platform, you can click on this button to join the video. You can click on it to switch off the video. You can click on it to mute yourself, and again you can click to unmute yourself. Okay, now when the session is over, or if you want to leave the classes, you can click on this leave button. Now leave meeting. Then you will close this button, close it, refresh your page on my profile. Now we have to see to appear in online examination, you have to click on online examination section. Here you will see the list of examinations scheduled for your particular class. You can click on this action button. The title of the examination will be shown here, how many attempts you can do on this question, date, and the duration of this MCQ format examination will be written here. Passing percentage and the number of questions will be written here. Now you can click on the start exam. Here you can see the questions. You can solve it by answering on any of the options, like 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. You can click here, click on next for the next to attempt the next question. Now 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. You can click on that. Again next. Now 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. Now you can click on this, go to the next. Now please plus 2 is equal to 22. Now click on this. So if you want to reattempt the question, you can go by clicking on the previous button. When you see, when you can check that all the question you have attempted correctly, now finally you can click on the submit button. Here on the top right, you can see the timing. Here the timer is running. You can click on the submit button, save. The answer you have submitted is saved now. So we have seen so far how you will attend your live classes by clicking on the live classes button and selecting the classes you want to join. If the class is live, you can click it by here, join now option was came, and if the class is not scheduled yet, you can see the status as waiting. The second we have learned so far, that how you will attend your online examination by clicking on this tab, by clicking on this button. After that you have to select the start your examination. As we have already attempted this examination, that's why this option has been removed from here. If the test has been live for the first time, you can see that start your examination tab as we seen earlier. Okay, thank you everyone.